Let me ask you something. What if, instead of worrying about money after retirement, you had a simple system quietly generating income in the background? No stress. No need to chase clients. No tech skills required. Just a few hours a week from home or anywhere you want. And every month your account grows. This isn't a dream. It's called affiliate marketing. And today, I'll show you exactly how it can replace or boost your retirement income, even if you've never done anything online before. Part 1. What is affiliate marketing really? Affiliate marketing is the digital version of word of mouth. You recommend a product or service you believe in. Someone buys through your special link. You get a commission. That's it. You don't create anything. You don't store anything. You don't support anyone. You just help people make better choices. And companies pay you for that help. And the best part? You can start for free, even if you've never posted a single video in your life. Part 2. Why it's perfect for retirement age. Most people your age don't want to start a big, complex business. They don't want risk. They don't want to deal with tech headaches. They just want peace of mind and a little extra income to enjoy life. Affiliate marketing lets you build something meaningful, something that works for you, even when you're offline. And with tools like Systeme.io, you can start in one afternoon. Create a free account by clicking the link in the description. Import a ready-made funnel. Share your link and start earning. You can literally start with 1 hour per day. Part 3. What you actually do. Here's what you'll be doing. Step by step. Step 1. Pick a product you like. It could be a tool, a training, or even a simple app. For example, I personally recommend Systeme.io, a platform that pays 60% recurring commissions. Step 2. Share helpful content. You don't need to be an influencer. You can make simple videos, write posts, or even record your voice like this. People don't want hype. They want answers. Give them clarity and they'll click your link. Step 3. Capture emails and automate. This is where real freedom starts. You offer a free gift, like a checklist or guide. People give you their email. Then your system automatically sends them helpful emails with your links inside. It's all set up once. And it runs every day, whether you're online or not. Part 4. It's not too late. You might be thinking, why didn't I know about this 10 years ago? I get it. But let me tell you something important. Now is still the best time to start. Because the tools are easier. The guidance is better. And the opportunity? Still massive. You don't need to hustle. You need consistency. A little action every day. Build something once, let it work for you every single day after that. If this speaks to you, check the link in the description. I've prepared a free training and a ready-to-use affiliate funnel, so you don't have to start from zero. You'll also get done-for-you pages, email templates, step-by-step video tutorials, and my personal checklist to launch your affiliate system in 1 hour/day. Click the link. Start today. And take the first real step toward financial peace of mind. You've worked hard your whole life. You deserve a retirement that gives you options, not limitations. With affiliate marketing, you can build your own safety net, one click at a time. I'll see you on the other side.